back on John's carb for his 78 Continental. Base plate ready to roll. Give it a little wipe after it's been soaking in the juice overnight. Just give her a little wipe down. Gonna get it with some paper towel here in a minute. That's ready. Here's our kit. It's typical 4160 single inlet vac secondary Holley. Yep, that's how we roll. All right, there's our main body. It's been soaking all night. About 20 hours or so at this point. So we're gonna peel the rest of our stuck on gaskets and then begin our reassembly. Looking good. Right, we got our base plate and the main body assembled. We have our secondary plate installed with the clutch style screws. So we're gonna finish up our fuel bowl for our secondaries. Just gonna give her another wipe down, finish cleaning that gasket surface because our gasket's already there on this end. Oh, excuse me. Put my needle and seat, my float in, put this baby together. I've got our secondary bowl assembled. Have our needle and seat in. Got our float height set. Everything's ready to go. Just need to put this baby right there. We have the screws for it. We'll put our new seals. Put that baby together. All right, just rebuilt our vacuum diagram. It's pretty diaphragm. It's pretty straightforward. It's just the rubber goes in. It has one hole. Here's the old one. That kind of obviously goes in line with that. That little gasket goes in, and then that little guy goes on the side here. Vacuum check. Complete with its E-clip. Right, all the vacuum secondary goodies. Done deal. Off to the primaries. Okay, our primary metering block. Power valve is in. We have our jets in. I have our idle mixture screws in. I always bottom them out, bring them out 2 turns. Great starting spot. This gasket here, the kit didn't have the correct one, so I just kind of trimmed it out accordingly. But easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That baby goes on like that. This baby goes on like that. Oh shit. And that's ready to go. And now we just gotta get our primary bowl done. And then this baby's almost done. All right, so accelerator pump on the front. The later ones, they use this, where is it? I have one somewhere. Little red rubber thingy goes through here. Earlier ones got the lock bar, check ball on the accelerator pump. Easy peasy. Prefer that way anyway. Got our diaphragm. Got our chingaderas. Boop. Housing goes there. Screws. If you can't figure that out, you definitely shouldn't be doing this. So front bowl basically goes together the same way. Metering block, just put your jets in, put your power valve in, bolt that bitch together. It's not hard. Your choke, there's a pin that goes in so it doesn't flop out. Put that bitch in there, you can see it. Won't flop out. Just need to set it and forget it. And then we're done. Oh, we gotta put our turn the air on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, that's back together, and next time you see this, it'll be going back on the car. Just gotta put one screw in here, but we'll handle it.